Since the Son of God was the creator of all things, He is thus the beginning of all creation. And here He says to them, you are neither hot nor cold, but you are lukewarm. And because you are lukewarm, I will spit you out of my mouth. This is the harsh reality that we face. If we have to do a self-examination of our walk with Christ, since we got saved, where do we fit in? Hot, cold, or lukewarm? And because of this, Christ said basically to them, the church had become indifferent and a lazy group of Christians who had lost their zeal for good works and evangelism of the area that they were situated in.